Welcome to another how-to video. Hello gamers, today our topic is all about how to change age on Brawl Stars. So all you have to do is open your Brawl Stars app. In the Brawl Stars app, click the three bars located at the top right of the screen. After clicking the three bars, click Settings. In the Settings tab, click Help and Support. As you can see, we are in the Brawl Stars Support. While we are in the Brawl Stars Support, click the message icon located at the top right of the screen. Now, after that, click Leave a Message or simply restart your process since you really want to change your age. To do that, click the three bars again. Now, click Settings. In the Settings tab, click the Supercell ID, which is located at the bottom left of your screen. And as you can see, I already have an account, so all you have to do is click the Settings or the gear icon, which is located at the top right of your profile. Now, the pop-up notification will appear, so just click Confirm so that we can proceed. As you can see, my account was logged out. While we are here, click Play Without. After that, the pop-up notification will appear and ask you if you want to load your game, as you can see in the video. Click Cancel so that we can proceed. Here we are. We can set your age that you want, and that's it. That's how easy you can change your age in Brawl Stars. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.